Hello and welcome everyone to CTF Tricks, and today we will be doing the Try Hack Me Advent of Cyber 2 Day 3 challenge of web exploitation named Christmas Chaos. So this is basically a default username password kind of vulnerability thing. That is, we need to brute force using the default credentials on the login page. So many in real life scenario also many companies usually keep the default passwords of their routers of their web pages like admin password, root tour, root admin, etc., and which can be easily exploited by the hackers to gain access of their machines. So today we'll be seeing looking into this vulnerability, and for this purpose we will be using pubsuit. So I will be directly using Foxy proxy to switch to my pubsuit. But if you do not have this Foxy proxy, you can go to this preferences, and over here you can see network settings, and in the settings just select manual proxy at 127.0.0.1 and port 8080. So that's the default loop. That is the loopback address and the default address and the port number where the pubsuit usually works. Pubsuit proxy usually works. So by default. So you can use this, or I will directly switch to pub using this Foxy proxy, and this comes really handy while switching this proxy switching among proxies when you have more than one proxy or such scenario. So I will try to bring a video on how to install this Foxy proxy and how to configure it for pubsuit and other proxies. So currently we will be using the pubsuit mainly. So I have opened this pubsuit community edition, and so let's move on to the challenge. So first it has written that deploy your attack box and the task machine if you haven't already. Once both have been deployed, open Firefox and attack box and copy paste the machine's IP into your browser search bar. So let's here I have already started the machine, so let's ping it to check if it is up. Yeah, I'm getting the replies. That means that it is working perfectly. So let's go to this machine as instructed by this page. So here you can see a username and password field, and here we can do sign in. So once we sign in, this user credentials will go to this pub suite. So let's try administrator and a password. So let's do sign in. So in your username is incorrect, so this is not correct username. So what I will try to do is that intercept this traffic and do a brute force attack using pubsuit. So I will just write admin is ad or something, some random characters abc, and password is pass. So I will switch to my pubsuit proxy and click on sign in. Oh, sorry, I need to first turn on the intercept. So very sorry, I apologize for that. So let's turn on the intercept and just try again. So let's put abc and pass and click on sign in. So here we can see the pubsuit has captured the packet with the login username as abc and password as pass. So I will just send it to the intruder and turn off the intercept. So at the intruder position I will set the positions. I will first clear those things and I will just select username, press add, select pass, press add, and it would be a cluster bomb. This is the type of attack you want to do. So mainly I have two things, so I want to do a cluster bomb, two payloads. So in the first payload let's put admin user root. So let's move on to the second one. Here I will put admin password to admin 123, and let's start the attack. So this you can paste any long password file or dictionary file that you like, but I will use this only small ones. So let's check if anything is working. Okay, so there was no response of it working. Now let's just a second, let me check. Root admin password 12345. Okay, so let's try 12345 also, and password list contain root password root center. Okay, so let's start the attack again and let's check the results. Okay, so here I have got a different length thing. So this is how the page will respond. Means I have seen a change in length, so this might be the actual password. So let's see the check out the response. Vary accept. Okay, redirecting to tracker. Okay, so it's redirecting to somewhere, means we have logged in. So let's check the payload, that is admin, and payload 2 is password. So this is the correct credentials. So let's try logging in with those. Extremely sorry for that. So here I will press admin and 12345 and press sign in. Okay, so here we can see the Santa sleece tracker and a flag. So here we got the flag that we have to paste it over here, and the challenge is solved. So this was a small challenge but very informative one, and this is a very real life scenario. We often find websites which have default credentials for admins and other users, some very easy credentials like 12345, admin 123, etc. So, and we can often use them to hack into those websites. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching. Please leave a like if you have gained any knowledge from this video, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel, because I will be coming up with more interesting videos in the future. Thank you.